Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make wine with yeast and sugar. First, gather your ingredients: a gallon of fruit juice, about 2 cups of sugar, and 1 packet of wine yeast. Next, ensure all your equipment, like your fermentation vessel and stirring spoon, is completely sanitized. This crucial step prevents unwanted bacteria from spoiling your wine. Remember to select a juice without any added preservatives, as these can inhibit the yeast's activity and prevent proper fermentation. Let's get started. Now let's mix everything together. Pour your chosen fruit juice into your sanitized fermentation vessel. Gradually add the sugar, stirring continuously until it is completely dissolved. This ensures the yeast has plenty of food. Next, carefully add your wine yeast. Some yeasts benefit from rehydration. Follow the package instructions. Finally, secure an airlock onto your container. This clever device lets fermentation gases out without letting air and potential contaminants in. You're almost there. With your wine now set up, it's time to let the yeast do its work. Place your fermentation vessel in a cool, dark spot, ideally between 65 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit. You'll soon notice consistent bubbling in the airlock. This is a good sign that fermentation is active. This process usually takes about 2 to 3 weeks. The bubbling will slow down and eventually stop when most of the sugar has been converted into alcohol. Patience is key during this stage. Once fermentation is complete, it's time for racking. Carefully siphon the clear wine into a new, sanitized container, being very careful not to disturb the sediment or lees at the bottom. This step helps clarify your wine. If you wish, you can add a Campden tablet to stabilize the wine and prevent spoilage. Finally, bottle your homemade wine. While you can enjoy it immediately, allowing it to age for a few weeks or months will often significantly enhance its flavor. Cheers to your new creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.